Hello, music lovers. Do you ever think, why are there so many miracles in the Bible and none today? That thought went through my mind many times when I was younger, especially when I was in middle school. How could God bestow so many blessings on the patriarchs, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Joseph, and the matriarchs, Sarah, Rebecca, Rachel, and Leah? How could God speak to Moses in a burning bush and part the Red Sea? And it seems like nothing special happens to me. Hi, my name is Paul Miller, founder of Creative Teaching Techniques, and I love to share popular music and movie ideas that will make a lasting impact on you and your students. Whether you teach social studies, religion, English, or music, I think you'll really enjoy these ideas. As Pope Francis says, everything is connected. We will show you how to make exciting connections between the popular culture and our Christian faith. Several years ago, Peter Mayer wrote a song called Holy Now. It's a wonderful song. Challenge your students to listen closely and answer the question, what is holy, sacred, special in your life? You might want to ask them this question before you play the song. This song is written, like I said, by Peter Mayer, a college friend of mine. He lives in Stillwater, Minnesota, and travels across the country playing his music. Peter is insightful, creative, and has a great sense of humor. I love to play several of Peter's songs in class. He has over 100 songs on Spotify and Apple Music. I hope you check out Peter Mayer's music. You can even go to his website and email him directly. Your students would love to have his live performances in your school. I'll put a link to his website and to this song in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this with a fellow teacher. What songs do you play for your students? What are your favorite sacred, holy songs? Feel free to write them in the comments below. Until then, remember, it's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. Now let's enjoy the insightful song, Holy Now, by Peter Mayer.